Still Naija FM 102.7 now in position both live and direct. 7 minutes dog base leave 11 a.m. already. My name is Aaron B. And we get the one and only, the first voice of Naija FM, Godwin Arroyo, for the building across the bridge. Okay, for 2 weeks straight right now. Now 2 months straight. Yes. Last week, now only me and you do now.
The DJ did on leave.
Leave. Then Becca still do weekend. But Becca they resume tomorrow. Then Lady J leave supposed to finish this
Monday.
week now.
Yes, they resume on Monday.
On Monday too. Yeah. Okay, that means all of us go there together. That will certainly be after my show. After a successful
yes, of
my
course.
show. Amen.
Yes. The show done successful already. So now just to show up.
Now you remember.
And mass people you will replicate. Just show up, make it
balance well, make everything balance. Not be lying.
Also say you chop in food. Say they send food make 12 now. When I send me they buy food for 12 now, only you chop everything. Wait till you report.
Okay, so I not go lie. Now my bad actually. So we send for food the same time we're going. Now me will suggest more buy.
We're going and bread.
And bread, not be agege bread, the normal big bread. So I consist of you buying 200 naira we're going me they buy 200 agege bread me they buy more money together more buy that 800 naira soft bread then will cut down. So I be there on S then. Now until David meet me say your food all day now, you don't even dey cold. Now I just pause, come put music, come rush, go down because hunger want finish me. I reach there. I don't even check any of the plate. Because clearly, when we order for food, he asked for beef. Me not they like beef.
Okay.
I can't fit through beef. I can't ask for pomo and egg. But this boy now can't buy egg for one plate. He not buy for another plate. Which I don't know which be the plate for the dance.
So the one which you carry the one
I can't carry OCO, the one where you get egg. Without I not check the second plate. Now, towards when they eat the food, me not the food I realize say this one not be my food. So I can't open your own food. I can't find and say, oh, Momo food here, but no egg.
But you don't eat the beef that time.
I never eat the beef. Daddy, I not even eat.
So if you transfer the beef, go back to your own and then commodity.
But I don't eat the egg.
Okay.
So the difference now be say my own carry the one where I eat, which be own carry egg. My own don't carry egg. The only Momo and carry. So now there the mix of.
But how do they buy beans and egg? I don't understand. You they put egg inside beans.
What's your apple? Beans, egg. Me they would do
now your wife go
yourself.
when you reach house. Gunshot, boah, up and down. Beans and egg. No,
but explain something to you. I remember something. So yesterday, I think I chopped similar thing. No, so me, BB, and Tolu when come visit us, we can't just go out. Because the first follow me go deliver some tickets, so we can't just go and more days. So now we can order for a wagon too. But bread not fall on a wagon and plantain, they bring come. Before them, my body guy they do me.
Then you got your beans. You got to go in China. So you call the drop for what then?
No,
you got to make a silence. And then when you walk over, you go tight your this thing.
So the best thing ever happened is as I just chop a finish, and then remember you do.
Then they start the car.
Now I can't change my position first too. So I lucky but I don't make less I know because I did drink enough water, you know.
You never see where you did with babes. You know say this way one drop so you go bad. You go whole lamb. You go they talk to you. So what's I say yeah man. They smile for your mind. You're like if I let go here, you get where I go hold and reach. I don't feel like the other day before Lady J go and leave. I just said Lady J. You need to leave the studio now.
Why you not come up?
She said, what happened? I said, Lady J, because what I just did now.
Okay, it don't happen already.
I said, Lady J, what I just do now.
It goes scatter everywhere.
No. Now what happened for Hiroshima and Nagasaki? If you just said, hey, God, you open door, go this side. Come on, look at what God doing now.
I better forget that thing.
Now I carry this in the spray the studio.
Oh, I see why you carry sense for nobody.
No, because now gunshot.
But what I do last after that first one when no cast everywhere. I can't hear the work. I notice say the one ask me say why are you always going outside and coming back, outside and coming back. So if I go outside, you know say that kind of thing, you go home part. If you can't go outside, you not really come outside.
Exactly.
Again. Only me will call the waka like person when I tell the room. I'll walk around, I'll come. When I come inside, I go to the walk. Then I'll go back again.
No, but the sweetest part of that is now when they release that, they hot. You understand? So this day,
anything will make you hold down.
In I go just tell the people, I'm not no vex, I don't release here. So in case you smell something unusual, just know say that me because I know I don't like that stress of standing up to go and come back. Now my wife, they tell the other day say she do one, I can say this is shocking. You know the mess of what I did now. I say this is unladylike.
Seriously, you know what?
I say this is unladylike. Like you say,
you don't spoil her.
Like you say unladylike. when you do your, you dey be gentleman.
You don't colonize your wife.
Because this one I didn't even know how he came out safe. He just came. You know I don't normally do it. I say I know, but this one is unladylike. You understand? I don't know why when I talk the unladylike, but me, I don't be gentleman when it comes to that one.
No. It depends on the environment when you see yourself, Sha. I have to say that because say I never do that kind. I know one of my friend when be say if boyfriend end relationship because say she fast for a present.
I don't understand.
So I now the second time they meet after the first date, so they can't lodge for hotel. They can't hear the chill. Say she just used to play yours do like this. Take it. It is the guy go laugh, say take it too.
The guy go play with that. You see that the guy just say,
and the guy say, are you mad? Don't you have a chief?
He be chief meaning waiting.
I don't know what he consent chief consent fast.
No.
You don't believe it. He said that night the guy not sleep that room. He come and go book another hotel room. Then the next morning he said, come and be going. Now so it end relationship. So when she they report to me, I be like, okay, I understand. Say una never really familiarize with herself, but he said that is why I just tried it to just see his reaction. But clearly, not the person when I feel do that kind of thing with you.
The amount of a reaction, that kind of thing no reach to end relationship.
To end relationship,
because now waiting go they happen for the rest of your life. She even if una come eventually get serious, come marry, you go they do am now.
But sometimes on a serious note, not be big deal as if people date relationship, you're supposed to free with yourself.
Yes,
when
now.
It comes to evil as low as fatting.
Yes, now.
You understand why you want the hard?
Just say women natural. I think the girl on the like her. She just want make it they free with and I make she do am.
Yeah.
Because women most times they either. Lady J never admit one day say she don't mess
but
with
you
the studio.
Suspect her.
No, sometimes the smell. I don't know they just change.
You carry
I go just and I not say no be me. I go just say Lady J. How far I go say she know that. Not ghost here now. Even all the years when me and us baby with Sabina do money loss for like 6 years. Sabina now admit one day say she dropped. And me and no us baby smell. Us baby know my own. So sometimes us baby go say Baba na you. I will say na me yes. I will say she don't drop. You go say Baba.
Then you get one now. You get one now.
Also sometimes go say
No, not be your own business.
I say not be you. Go say you don't say. Go say Sabina go say. You would think I'm like you. But not be me, not be all the thing, you understand? So women naturally they like make people know. Say, so if you just did somewhere, you know she not be you, and woman did it and they smell. She don't silently drop her. And she go deny that thing to agree.
Yeah, so she not going to agree. Yeah, she not going to agree. She not going to agree. Anyway, moving forward, a lot of drama don't happen for inside the country God doing, which I believe you're familiar with. I don't know, you supposed to talk about them yesterday, this so Adamawa. You don't see the new turn out of the suspension where I say, wait really, if you say, in all sincerity, with that kind of I believe it's okay to use the word atrocity when that guy commits because not be supposed to declare the result. No, if not to offense, not be supposed to declare result. Then result never even they collected finish. You go declare and then you can't be invited. Only for INEC to say they don't suspend that. Suspension means say you don't need to go. You not supposed to go. Is that enough? You say that one then enough.
But they say they don't suspend that. What will be the way forward? Say that they go count the remaining because INEC don't say that announcement.
They don't post until Thursday.
Say INEC don't say that one when you announce no be your own. No be their results be that.
Yes.
And so they don't send somebody else make you go. So someone will see. Make them continue for when they stop. You understand? But the two way they shock me for the whole thing are the fact that the woman when
don't go court.
She don't go court. Make court interpret. Well, I
don't understand the ground when she they talk.
Say that because they don't announce the results.
Yes, and for electoral law, as far as INEC, whether any of your officer, whether not officer, whether not by mistake or whatsoever, as far as you don't declare somebody as winner, INEC not get right to overrule that declaration. Now court.
What about what if the person will declare the thing?
So now the question now people they ask. Exactly. They say it no matter. Say as far not behind neck supposed to now the court go come to say this person declaration is invalid. No say not behind neck as a body they are.
Wait, so what they trying to say because the person they work for INEC?
Yes.
So because anybody they work for INEC can't declare. But
it just be like say they talk say make what it be Ibrahim rule that time when you do for them no be residing officer.
No, presiding officer. No, all those people they go the agent now.
Agent.
No be agent now. INEC officer will just go election. The election officer.
What if be those people when they polling units that time?
The coppers then I don't know if they call them, but then be the people where run the election.
So with that woman stand right now, you dey talk say if that person decide just see opportunity declare person as winner, you not go overrule her.
They go need to overrule. That's why they say no matter how this way they go court go cancel the thing because
But you know,
even
say,
the INEC as a body don't talk say no be we announce that result. This person now rogue agent. You understand? The fact say the body don't admit say result they never count and finish, and this person will announce this thing and you don't see announce. Courts go say yes because anybody where they sue, anybody they go challenge election result for court, they always join INEC for their case and all that. And INEC court judges they always tribunal they always call INEC to come explain certain things before they make their decision. So INEC go tell the court say this result where the man announced not be we send them. You understand? If you don't collect bribe or something, do and so our real result never and then as long as the body in as a whole say no be the result, that will make that woman just.
But she don't go court already. She don't.
Court go through her case. That me I believe. I believe say because INEC don't already use her mouth talk say no be the real result be that. And she not supposed to go. She's supposed to say okay since INEC don't say no be the real result. Okay,
Godwin, you won't just believe say that man just wake up that morning, just decide do that thing without a thought through process of this is the possibility of what might likely happen with whoever they behind them. Because if you notice after you make that declaration that Sunday, guess what? Both other news agency, including NTA, who they don't call, say may basically find out now. All of them go do acceptance speech. Is it that they were not aware that collation never end before they give the woman a platform to give acceptance speech?
No, they plan the whole thing.
So that is what I'm saying. Even this court case arrangement, I swear, say, okay, this now what I feel right now. Oh, if we are to do this, what is the possibility to make it stand? Let me do it. You give us acceptance speech. The next Monday, fight for a case because in session 149, I don't know, was it for, sorry, no, man, I look for that session when they quote
so
of the electoral.
So they say they plan to do the whole thing like this.
Yes,
no, fully well say they go court.
Yes,
and court no go finish.
Section 149 and section 152 of the Electoral Act. If we use that one to hold the ground, no matter whoever be the person when declare the result, that declaration stand. Except if the court won't go meet, can't say otherwise. Because INEC as a body on their own, not feel overturn the result. What if they don't think through? This one where would they don't reach? We don't even know the other follow up right now where they want to do too.
Thank God.
Not also forget, some aid for APC do congratulating message instantly when that declaration.
Of course, those where they are aware of which they go on, wait follow for the plan. They go do congratulatory message and they go celebrate the whole thing. But one thing where they make me happy, get hope be saying, no matter what's in the constitution, no matter what's in the electoral act, the courts they always interpret the law, and any judgment where courts give now they become standard from that time onward. You understand? So now the judges go tell you whether this thing when they write like this be like this or like that, and then that is why you go feel say something if they for court they go tell you say based on this case see the precedent where they don't set before. So judges now court they always interpret what in the law talk. So they feel interpret their own say they don't feel cancel. But those judges feel come decide now say because anything when they decide now. Now example going forward, if they allow this thing, so somebody go announce result, don't do the real result, and the judges no reversal. It means any other election now, anybody if you just wake up just okay. Now the result go to court. So now what
did they happen here right now?
That's why I believe they will change now because the judges now they interpret within law and now what did they talk for court.
So with your yarns right now, it don't be like say we don't look and I say last it be like say I not get waiting the do pass waiting they don't already do right now. Knowing fully well okay they don't even post the collation of results on Thursday. Yes. Now they plan to resume. But PDP don't they protest yesterday say no, may they not wait them, may they continue on. So with this whole arrangement and the fact that this man don't go court right now, that one me say INEC don't they crippled to take art.
No, INEC never give them certificate of return.
They never give them. Yes,
so INEC no go give them certificate of return because this INEC no fit contradict themselves. The same INEC wey to say this result when they announce, not be the person we get. And even though say they quote the law, say once it's done announced. Also don't forget say the law also specify who get right to announce. You understand? So if the law say that so person supposed to announce result, that's where they a particular level, and then not be the person with that particular level or that office announcer, that now also grounds to annul the election. You understand? So INEC know if he go give her return it, and if they not give her certificate of return, she know if they not if swear her in. You understand? So I like see all the cards. So we just wait till Thursday, see what they go do about the whole thing and all that. But you know, say now Nigeria don't they feel like say anybody if you join it like that at the end of the day go say go to court.
Yeah.
So now for the courts now to let us know say
prove their
this go to court
for the common
people
man.
They talk. We go look everything objectively and we not go let anybody. We not go use favor or use say person or my person or whatever. We go judge the case on the merit of how what it be. Now what me and see but I shame say the woman go court to go challenge that. You already know everybody for the country know say they announce the result wrongly. You see they go say you want challenge that for court.
And now why if he say he pass waiting meet the eye right now. Maybe as the event date, maybe tomorrow before the end of today we'll hear another
if not better country we know what they do by now. They go down they check all this internet what did they talk online banking. Check anything relationship between that man and the woman, whether anything money don't exchange hands, anything. They go down they investigate to know who instigate. But now they go down they interrogate the man.
But the man, the only suspend is not being making Nigeria they call change. So okay, on a normal level, if this kind of thing happen before, police supposed get involved, DSS supposed get involved.
Not be commissioner of police follow and stand there when in the announcement.
Was that the commissioner?
Before.
I'm not sure. Was that the commissioner?
That's not commissioner of police now. According to the report, that's not the commissioner of police. They there when they announce the result. Which police were arrested? And the police will follow and stand there for the general election. You know, see where police stand people they destroy.
One of those police officers just
no, not be just any other person now.
So what they talk.
You understand? So now they tell you so better police, high-ranking policeman stand there. The man they announce illegal result. The same way we see policemen stand, people they destroy ballot box, they threaten people, they don't do anything. So now the police, like this kind of DSS, suppose don't pick up the man. Oga, why you go announce result? I make you talk who and who instigate and to do that thing. Then the criminal offense.
But who won't give DSS the
as far as I'm concerned, right now that man is.
Even I told the general never talk anything.
The man na criminal right now. As far as I'm concerned, na criminal act because you steal an election according to your organization where they work for INEC. So they're supposed to arrest him. DSS is supposed to interrogate the man and all that. So you want Steve for democracy. If you rig election, are stealing now. They're supposed to arrest you and all those things.
I think I go talk him again. I talk this thing after the presidential election. And I talk the same thing after the governorship election that was postponed to March 18. I feel democracy definition or in the interpretation of democracy for this country, they're different from the rest part of the world. I think when we say democracy, it allows us do within their our mind and go scot-free without being held accountable for it. And now the kind of democracy one we like. Now you feel you do any like this example. You feel you do it because it's democracy. You understand that democracy will be practiced.
And Nigerians, our leaders don't want to make the people get a choice, get a say. You understand? They don't say if the people get the choice to pick who they want, they feel no win. So they go just answer democracy in the sense that they do democracy because they don't want military men wear uniform the rule. You understand? But this democracy what we do, so we not go still let the people make their choice. Now we go to decide what they go do. You understand? We go do any we like. We say after on democracy. As long as the person where they there no they in uniform is democracy. Whether they follow all the principles and the rules where it's supposed to guide democracy, they no care. Not be military man they in charge. So Nigeria definition of democracy be say no be military man the rule. But all the processes where you go follow
most Kataran. Now why I thought say we not get
and then because of democracy you go say go to court. In a military rule who you want to go to court?
Go to court.
Who you want
then
to
before you say jack, they don't
pick you straight. So now all those things.
I think that's why we love the old democracy. Now why you go see somebody go say, oh, by the grace of God, we were able to come through knowing fully well saying you rig the election.
So if the military rule now, one person go come thief government money, then you come say you want go court, go use the money they challenge them. Who get that time?
Now straight up.
They don't pick you up. You go begin confess where you keep the money. But for democracy, no just
you have follow process.
They will say serve a warrant.
Yes,
that's why some people go thief like 5 billion.
They'll keep
get 1 billion.
They'll keep
1 billion. They can fight government for 20 years. You can't try for military rule. They go once they don't arrest you, they go first seize your house, block everywhere, seize all your. And then the moment where you go, they see some kind ugly looking military men go call your cell every morning, come look you. Ask you get some kind of boy go one interrogate you. The moment they enter, say, so are you ready to talk? You say yes, sir.
This time
because you don't imagine what this person go do you
go
if you not talk. You understand? But if that's democracy with their rule of law, if people say that my lawyer they tell me one time, say that is why you go see person a kidnapper, then catch him. You know, maybe he no agree talk where, maybe kidnap he keep somewhere, maybe they can't beat him or torture him, he can't talk, they can't go find out where he keep the pikin or whatever. You don't write confession. You don't say, okay, I ain't do am. The moment where you reach court, if you can't get lawyer, you go maybe the person get money, the lawyer will come tell the judge, say, all those things when you talk now lie you. Say them coerce and they force them to do and they beat them. Then they will come do trial before the trial within the trial. Which is, first of all, the judge will come to try the police.
Police first.
To know whether
they'll
the police.
Your case, so.
Yes. If he gets smart lawyer, so they'll come to do a trial within the trial. Just because the person don't recount everything. Who want to do trial within the trial for military? They never even tell you anything. You don't they confess. The one where you don't even do your talk.
I think that the reason why we they enjoy this, they enjoy this.
You know how person they take confess for military rule. God, I ain't the one that took the money. Yes, sir. Not only me, Black Arabi said they take. Arabi really, I think maybe Osama and
OTB did.
Nobody asks you.
You don't confess everybody.
In fact, you see this entire building.
With a thief.
Is there anybody else you want to know about?
Yeah, I will tell you.
If you like
before
that,
you know, they don't pack everybody.
If like that, they do. I don't know what they do other than a lockdown. When they do occupy Lagos.
Yeah, for now 2 weeks that thing going on.
20. You get one time.
12.
Everywhere, I think they can't declare curfew or something, no movement, something like that one time. So I don't know that me and us baby can they go house. They go mainland. So we they inside the same car. I don't know whether I mean they drive. I mean they drive. We can't see military men they Oworu. If you just they come down for Terminal Bridge, then they there. You know those ones will go wear camouflage, come wear all those hats will be like bush.
Okay.
You know, ugly looking guys. They just they wave us. That was say, hey.
They don't smile ever.
That was they say, hey, Baba, see military. I say, calm down. When we reach there, we don't wind down. The way the guy take come. Good day, sir. I say, can I know you? What we don't throw your ID card? We are pressmen. Look at our ID card. We're coming for radio.
They never ask a question.
I just laugh. The guy come collect the ID card, call Luca. Okay. Luca. When I say, we say, Baba, this time, they shoot with time. Even me, I know that I take a composure. The guys look scary.
But you are papa in the military now. You're supposed to use it.
All the way grow up for barracks. You see here. Those guys, I don't tell you when I go wedding for inside. I go best in 40th birthday. The lady na police, but husband na army. Ikeja cantonment. They can't say I'm in birthday. That's how I can't go. They say they start by 12. I can't reach there like 1 o'clock. She never really start. I just drive enter the place. Check. I can't go back. Since my house no far, I go come back.
Yeah.
I can't come back. God na my witness. They write 30 kilometers per hour for that road. Yeah. And no speed. I don't even reach. I did like 25 kilometers.
You just say no speed.
As I just come down on the junction, and that's why I just see two of those kind of guys. They just stop me. Park. I just park. Say, can you identify yourself? I say, okay. I tell them my name is Gordon. It's okay. What are you doing here? I say, I came for birthday party. Say, that's why they drive anyhow, rough anyhow inside here. I say, no, I no drive. I say, are you saying I'm lying? Calm down. Now I call. I say, no, I'm not saying you're lying. No, I'm just saying that they rode 30 kilometers. Say, you see, they try to explain. I say, no, it's not like that.
Oh, you don't go talk. Yeah, yes, sir.
You see my humility. I say, no. See, I saw 30
You don't tell us if you first voice.
I was not first voice inside barracks. Inside barracks. Arabi stop. Now I said, no.
You don't tell us the first voice of Naija.
I said, I was no rush. I was not speeding, no. He said, but I said, no. And maybe because I do I came out, that's okay. I'm sorry. He said, do you know we can impound this your car? I said, you can even impound me, John. I said, you can even arrest me. I know I'm not doing because where exactly I can't tell the lady name say she be police, but her husband and soldier. Because say next time when you enter barracks like this, you have to
be
gently.
Yeah.
I say yes, sir. Okay.
Yes.
So what do you do? I can't say I work on radio. I come on, they can say, oh okay, okay, nice one, you can go.
You don't lawyer already.
The moment I drive out, I call her. I know they come back. You will not see me. No worry. I will give you. Say I give. I say okay. When you finish, when you come out, I go meet you for bus stop. He say you get one drink when she say she want, and I get her for my bar.
Yeah, you know
for house. Enter who's brother. I don't go. I be. You know how my normal sense is. So for us, I go don't shout. Do you know you're talking? This is the first voice. I forget to have the first voice when those guys talk to me.
You don't remember?
I be leave those guys so soldiers. Don't leave them. Especially the soldier go they fear. No, the way they do that, the way they calm, they ask you questions.
Yeah, because those ones decide deal with
if
you.
If you quiet, you just calm, they ask you questions.
You see how those guys can live. You see how those ones keep quiet. Fear
the moment why you tell us, say no, you can even impound me.
They go pity for you.
You know, I just smile. They don't say this on the fear. You understand? So I beg. That's why all these our civilian people they do democracy. It don't just a military rule.
You dare not do anyhow.
Forget it.
You collect.
You understand? Where these people think
Well, last that will be all for now. Till tomorrow, I think we'll probably get almost full house tomorrow. But now till Monday, the free full house go happen though. But from now, make sure you go get your ticket for high voltage doings coming up Sunday 23rd. Then God doing also go help me the hype and they go small. You know the story now. My name is Rambi. I leave it for the soft hands, in fact for the hard hands of the first verse of Naija FM. Godwin Aruayo. Enjoy. But for now, taking the news one, Shelley, not go anywhere.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.